Hi everyone, Colton Bradley here with Karl Chevrolet, and we're going to be talking with you about the latest recall that Chevrolet has on the Bolt EV and EUV models. We have 3 actions that we're going to ask you to take on your vehicle. The first one is that you're going to set your target charge level to 90%, and we're going to be showing you that here shortly on the 2 vehicles behind me. The second is that we're going to ask you to charge your vehicle more regularly. We also want you to avoid driving the vehicle to below 70 miles of total range left. The third thing is that we're going to ask you, after you're done charging, to park the vehicle outside, and that we do not have you leaving the vehicle charging inside overnight. So let's go ahead and we're going to dive in, and I'm going to show you how to set your vehicle to 90% target charge level. So we're sitting in a 2022 Bolt EUV, and this infotainment screen is going to be the same in the Chevrolet Bolt EV as well for 2022 model year. As you look on your infotainment screen here, if you are on any of your audio or phone or navigation screens, you're going to want to press on the home icon to get you back to the home screen. We then are going to be looking for the energy icon, which you can find along the lower taskbar here or on your touch screen. And then we're going to be looking for charging in the top right hand corner. Along the right hand side here, this is going to show you your battery gauge. So we're going to select on that, and we're going to press the minus icon here twice. And we have now set our Bolt to 90% charge level. So for your 2019 through 2021 model year Bolt EVs, we're going to be showing you how to set that to 90% target charge level. On your infotainment screen, you're going to be looking for the energy icon, which you can find in the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to select on energy. You are then going to select on the charging icon here in the center of the infotainment screen. And we're going to be looking for target charge level, which is located on the right-hand corner. And with this, all we're going to do is simply press on the minus arrow twice, and we have now set our Bolt EV to be at 90% target charge level. So those are the 3 recommendations that we have for all Bolt EV and EUV models. If you have any additional questions, reach out to your nearest Karl Chevrolet location. You can also stay up to date on the latest recall information at chevy.com/Bolt EV recall.